आयज अक्षय तृतीया। वैशाख शुद्ध तृतीयेच्या तिथीक अक्षय तृतीया म्हणतात। 3:30 मुहूर्तातलो एक महत्वाचो मुहूर्त। ह्या दिसा खंयचीय गजाल केल्यार बऱ्याक पडटा म्हूण दर एकलो नवे गजाली करूंक ह्या अक्षय तृतीयेक रावता। कोण सामान घेता, कोण घर, कोण गाडयो, कोण कामधंदो सुरू करता, जाल्यार कोण भांगर घेता। अक्षय तृतीयेक प्रुडंटान उद्देग धंद्याची उलाढाल पळोवंक पणजे गाडयांचे शोरूम आनी ज्वेलरी शॉपांनी पासे मारली। धंद्याक पोरू परस ओनू मातशी परिस्थिती बरी दिसता।
See, the offer right now on jewelry is $299 per gram, and on diamond jewelry it's 50% off on making charges.
Okay. So what has the response been like till now?
Till now, as you see outside, there are a lot of flow, like a lot of walk-ins are there. And compared to last year, it was due to mining. Since the mining was stopped, it was very less actually. And this time now, since the mining is started, we have a lot of walk-ins. I can see a lot of new customers walking down to our store, which is so far it is a good response we are getting.
And what are the trends you have seen in your sales? What are the Goan people opting for?
Yes, mostly now since the wedding season, most of the traditional jewelry they buy, necklaces, patle, tode, goat and all the stuff, because since wedding season.
महत्वपूर्ण दिन माना जाता है, तो इसलिए आज का दिन। आज मैं अपने मदर के लिए इयरिंग्स लेने आया हूँ, रिंग और कंगन।
So people have really given us a good response, and Akshay Tritiya has also been really well. So Akshay Tritiya, basically we have a national offer. In Goa we have an offer of free gold pendants. So basically for every 10,000 of diamond jewelry and every 10 grams of gold jewelry, there is a gold pendant free for the customer. So people who end up buying say 50-60 gram product end up getting some 5-6 gold coins free. So that's the entire offer, and it's a quite a lucrative offer, and that's why you can see we have a whole net of people who are flooding the store.
Yeah, so the response is quite good for the offer.
Response has been really good, not only for the offer but in general. Tanish, the response have been really good.
Sales has been very good today. We are delivering total of 40 vehicles from this location, and overall we are 150 plus vehicles delivery for today. Obviously, because being Akshay Tritiya, so customers find it very auspicious day to purchase the vehicle.
कुंकळे युनियनान दवरिल्ले अखिल भारतीय व्हॉलीबॉल सर्तीच्या पहिल्या दिसा सिग्नल्स प्रशिक्षण केंद्र आणि हरियाणा आयडीसीन आपापल्यो मॅची जिखल्यो। सिग्नल्सान यजमान कुंकळे युनियनाक मारले, जाल्यार हरियाणाच्या पंगडान मुंबईच्या आरसीएफाक हारयले। बुधवारा सांजे सर्तीच्या उक्तावणाक आमदार राजन नाईक मुखेल सोयरो आशिल्लो।
Please put your hands together. This tournament is now declared open. Please put your hands together for the Mahindra 2SCC Signals. Captain of the team is Mr. Azad Singh. This is our very own team, Konkoli Union Goa.
Very good. Yes. Again, Marada.
Konkoli Union to serve.
Good block. Blue ball. Very good. Good one.
Opening to serve 23-16.
संगीत मत्स्यगंधाक 50 वर्सां जाली. मराठी रंगभूमी गाजोवपी हे नाटक भांगराळ्या वर्सांत पावले. त्या पर्वाच्यो यादी जाग्यो करपी खासा कार्यावळ पणजे इन्स्टिट्यूट मिनेजीस प्रांगणांत जाली. मत्स्यगंधान पराशराची भूमिका गाजोवपी नामनेचो शास्त्रीय गायक रामदास कामत, दोतोर सुमेधा देसाय, चंद्रकांत वेर्णेकारान मत्स्यगंधांतल्या पदांनी यादी ताज्यो केल्यो. अजय वैद्य आनी भक्ती उपाध्याय नाटकांच्या खाशेल्या गजालींचेर उलयली. मैफिलीक सभाघर भरिल्लें. पळयात मत्स्यगंधा. इतल्यान खबर क्षेत्र हांगा सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.